Good morning, class. In this lesson, we're going to do warm-up routines, segmenting phonemes, isolating phonemes, changing phonemes, high-frequency words, best, does, and, job, left, men, more, see, then, wash. And we're going to do the short O, U, E. Spelling words with short O, U, and E. Handwriting lowercase c, d, e, and o. Best. Follow the steps. See the word, say the word, spell the word, and write and check the word. Does. Follow the steps. See the word, say the word, spell the word, write and check the word. The next word is end. Follow the steps. See the word, say the word, spell the word, write and check the word. End. Job. Follow the same steps as before. See the word, job, say the word, job, spell the word, job, write and check the word, job. The next word is left. See the word, left, say the word, left, spell the word, left, write and check the word, left. Men. Follow the steps. See the word, men, say the word, men, spell the word, men, write that and check the word, men. More. Follow the steps. See the word more, say the word more, spell the word more, write and check the word more. Remember, more has a silent E at the end. C. Double E always says E. Follow the steps. See the word, say the word, spell the word, write and check the word. The next word is then. Follow the steps. See the word, say the word, spell the word, and write and check the word. Wash. Follow the steps. See the word, wash. Say the word, wash. Spell the word, wash. Write the word and check the word, wash. Best, does, end, job, left, men, more, see, then, wash. Say the words, duck, fox, goat, cat, frog, bat. Short O sound is in octopus. A short U sound is in umbrella. A short E sound is in elephant. Sound for F is in fish. G, goat. L, lion. Horse. W, walrus. J, jelly. J, y, yak. V, volcano. Q is in quail. Fox. X, zebra. Z, jug. Is, quiz, quiz. Let's blend. Hug, ox, wet, bow. Fed, yes, lot, quiz, log, ham, zap, jet. Tap, let, tablet, zip, unzip, coat, mascot, button, public, signal, muffin. O, short O sound as in octopus. Job. A, short U sound as in umbrella and hug. E, short E sound as in elephant. Yes. Write the words with a short E sound like in E. Yes, left, net, rest. Also with a short sound U like in umbrella, plum, shut, hum. The short sound O is in job, frog, dot, job. Let's write. Remember, we're going to do the C like an A. We're going to start a little bit lower than the line and we are going to go around. The D, we're going to start like an A and then we're going to go up and then down. The E, we're going to start here and we're going to go to the right, around, and stop. The O, I'm going to start at 2 o'clock. Go around and stop. Continue writing until the teacher tells you to stop.